Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an street racing script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, you just need to scroll down over here. Then click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file. Go to config.lua. So over here, if you set into true, then you have to press E for the interaction instead of QB target. So I'll be keeping it on true. And over here, you can configure the blacklist vehicles over here as you can see. So this is the configuration of the race location. Over here, this is the location of the interaction point. And over here, you can configure the type of the race. And rest of the things you can configure it from here. So make sure to install the dependency of the script, which is auxlib. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's teleport ourselves to the interaction point. So let's spawn a car over here. Now let's interact with this pad. We just need to press E over here. Now over here we got the options for the race. So for this video I'll be choosing the easy one. So let's go to the starting point of the race. Now the countdown of the race has been begun over here. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we completed the race and we got $4,000 over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.